Sapiens, Yuval Noah Harari, a sweeping history of humankind from ancient origins to modern societies. You will not believe what we are about to reveal right now. This is one of the most searched and most misunderstood topics out there, and we are breaking it down step by step so you never have to worry about it again. Yuval Noah Harari's Sapiens offers an expansive exploration of the human species from its primitive beginnings to the complexities of contemporary civilization. By examining the key revolutions that have shaped humanity, cognitive, agricultural, and scientific, Harari provides a thought provoking narrative on how Homo sapiens came to dominate the planet. At its core, Sapiens delves into how our ability to create and believe in shared myths and ideas, such as religion, nations, and money, has enabled humans to cooperate in large numbers. This cooperation, Harari argues, has been the cornerstone of our success as a species and has driven the significant advances that define human history. One transformative insight from Harari's work is the concept of imagined realities. Unlike other animals, humans can construct complex societal structures based on shared beliefs that exist purely in our minds. This unique ability to create shared myths has allowed for unprecedented levels of organization and cooperation. Another critical insight is the impact of the agricultural revolution, which transformed human societies from nomadic hunter gatherers to settled farmers. Harari suggests that this shift led to more complex societal hierarchies and economic systems but also introduced new challenges and inequalities. Furthermore, Harari explores the scientific revolution and its role in catapulting human advancement, emphasizing how the pursuit of knowledge and innovation has dramatically altered human life and the planet itself. This era has not only improved living standards but has also raised ethical and existential questions about the future of humanity. One of the most memorable concepts in Sapiens is the examination of the future trajectory of our species. Harari poses challenging questions about the potential of biotechnology and artificial intelligence, urging readers to consider the implications of becoming gods within our own creations. Yuval Noah Harari, a historian and professor at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, brings a unique perspective to the study of history with his ability to weave together anthropology, sociology, and science into a cohesive narrative. His engaging writing style makes complex ideas accessible to a wide audience, sparking curiosity and debate. Sapiens is particularly relevant today as it encourages reflection on humanity's past to better understand contemporary challenges. In an era of rapid technological progress and global interconnectedness, Harari's insights prompt readers to critically assess our collective journey and future direction. An actionable takeaway from Sapiens is to remain curious and open to questioning the world around us. By understanding the historical and societal constructs that shape our lives, we can make more informed decisions about our personal and collective futures. Embracing a broader perspective on humanity's past can empower us to navigate the complexities of modern life with greater awareness and intention. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.